Money be the root of evil, but poverty they kill some people. But for they make that money, what I give be just illegal. Don't
It's
let
gonna
nobody
be
deceive
our
you.
Hello
Don't
Well
make everybody go
program,
believe you.
and we
Yeah, they
will
pretend
be
like they know they
blinking
see you,
the
but they
LED
really
of
wanna be
the motor shield.
BB Bo,
So
BB
let's get
Bo.
started.
But
I've
for they
got my
make that
Arduino
money,
opened. I'm
cause
just gonna
BB Bo,
click File, go to the examples, and I will pick the basic program and LED blank. Have it opened, enlarge it there. So basically everything in this setup runs only once, and then the loop run a couple of times. We have set the LED high, set it low, and it's gonna delay for 1 second interval. For this circuit, if we have a quick look at the schematic, what you have on there is you've got your LED pin connected to ground, and then the anode goes through a light, a resistor, all the way to pin number 13. So what you're gonna have is gonna have the onboard LED blinking as well as the external LED pin. So we have a quick look at the block diagram. That's what we have on there. But on the robot car, you've got an Arduino Uno, so we will be using the Arduino Uno as an option. And from the shield, we want to select pin A0. You can use any of the available pins on the robot car. So let's get started. So I have the built-in LED there. I'm just going to make some slight modification here. Just change this to from built-in LED to let's have this. Okay, so I'll say int LED pin. Because A0, and I'll change the pin mode. I'll change the built-in LED, replace it with LED pin, replace all the others with LED pin as well. So instead of the built-in LED of pin 13 for the Mega, we're going to use the A0 of the motor shift of the car. So let me just clean the code up a little bit. And it's similar logic on there. So you want to make sure that you select for the board, you select, instead of Mega, you select the Arduino Uno option, and make sure you have the right port selected. Obviously, as soon as you connect the board, the right port will show. Let's compile it. Yep, compilation complete, and then you click this button to upload to the board. On the real, come where ya, when you be, nobody gonna know how you feel.